What's up, guys? It's Connor again for another recap. Today's gonna be another Red Day recap. Lost about $10, so nothing big. Pretty much break even. So into the open, I was watching these two stocks, INDP. This was a very crazy stock. It was nice to watch. I feel like I learned a lot from it. Low float. We haven't had a low float runner for a couple days, and as you can see, this was the one to be in, and I was not. I missed the initial breakout, and it halted. I could have gotten on the resumption, but I was not sure. We haven't had one of these in a while, so I wasn't too confident on taking it. Also, it was a higher priced. I only had like $600 to trade with today, and I would have only had like 40 shares. I could have still done it and made money, but that's in hindsight. So yeah, it's just crazy volume, very volatile, and overall just a strong uptrending stock today. But yeah, so did miss that. I was also looking at MOSY for a dip and rip. It was another lower float. It had the volume coming into the open, but it was pretty pathetic. So took this off my watch. But yeah, these were the two I was watching into the open. Missed out on this one. This was probably the ideal play to be in, but yeah, missed it. Was definitely feeling FOMO. Didn't trade until like, I don't know. We'll look at it when I took my trade that I took for today. I then started watching this for the break of these levels, because I could see that it was not breaking through this level, and there was also a trend line. So I was watching this. The volume kept going bigger as we were getting closer to this breakout point, and then it failed. So it's unfortunate it didn't work out. As you can see, if you want to go to the 1 year, there's not much there's like nothing over $4. So I was looking for that break. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. So then this trade was the best trade of the day. I was watching that still, like, in regret that I didn't take it earlier, and then I saw this breakout over the day high. Immediately jumped in. I didn't even look at the float. As soon as I jumped in, I looked at the float. 2 million or 200 million float, and I was like, oh crap, I want to get out. Did not want to get into this. And just a lot of volume, so it looked good. But as soon as it hit this candle, someone commented on a video yesterday and said that this is usually a good sign to sell. It's just such a small move that I was like regretting it immediately when I jumped in. And I don't know, I have like these rules in my head when I go into the day of only wanting to trade low float stocks and only wanting to trade like key points, key support and resistance levels. And I feel like when I jump in, like sometimes I jump in a trade because I'm so focused on the chart and so just zoomed in, I don't see the bigger picture. And I mean, in another day this could have worked, but I could see that the volume started fading as soon as we broke through. I was looking at the level 2, and there were just so many people selling and shorting. So I tried to sell right on this candle, and I just didn't get filled until down here. I just kept spamming sell until I was down here, and then obviously it came back, tested it, and failed again. But yeah, just crappy day. Missed out on the best trade possible, and chased and gotten a stock that I really shouldn't have gotten into. It's only a $10 loss, but it's like $10 for a good learning lesson, or a lesson learned. But yeah, so just trying to keep small size and gain as much knowledge as I can before the hot months come back, which are like October, November, December, into those months. But yeah, missed out on the best trade of the day, so I got FOMO. jumped into another one, and that's trading. I will see you guys for another recap tomorrow, hopefully.